Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a synthetic wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline Charisma. Look at that color. It's so nice, but I keep getting the same ginger color. I love ginger on me though. Can't complain. Here's how the hairline looks fresh out of the box. Pre-plucked, which I love this. It's a 13 by 6. 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back with an elastic band to wear it glueless and adjustable straps. These curls are nice, but you do get a little bit tangled. It's soft. You get some shedding.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did low-key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love, yeah, see no way to me, I do with the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's how they move the shit down. And then I really put it too far. Midnight was that she got.
Coming closer, it's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come make us stop, hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill light, cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices, everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's slow.